Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy Valentine's Day. Y'all, we are in Miami. I'm in the bathroom right now. It's a little dark in this bathroom. I should have wore some hoops, but I only had my Valentino studs, so they're gonna have to work. But we're getting ready to head out. We've been here since yesterday and I didn't vlog at all. But right now we're getting ready to go have lunch, and then we'll probably go to the mall, hang out for a bit, and then we're going back home. So it was just a quick little road trip that we decided to go on at the last minute, and yeah, it was really nice. So that's it. Tony's over there. We're watching, I don't think it's CSI, but it's one of those little shows. The reason that I didn't vlog yesterday was because, well, I started to vlog on the way here and my battery was dead. I put the wrong battery in my camera. I charged one and left one on the charger. When I swapped them out, I put the dead battery in the camera. And then whenever I got to the bag to switch out the battery, I realized that I forgot my SD card. So we had to go to Walmart. The Walmart was crazy. I've never been in a Walmart that was that packed. So it was crazy. So we went in there. We was probably in that Walmart for like an hour just to get an SD card. By the time we did everything that we wanted to do, it was time for the Super Bowl. So I just was like, okay, well, screw it. So yeah, so now it is Monday and we're packing up, and well, we still have probably like an hour or two before we have to check out the hotel. So that's that, and I guess I'll see you guys later. I look like a little boy. I should have wore some bigger earrings, but we're on our way to brunch. We're gonna go to this little spot called the Little Hen.
Yeah, go that way, then I'm going that way. There, 48 right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the place is called Little Hen. I found it on TikTok, and they sell brunch. It's really pretty. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to the Design District to do a little shopping, and then we might head home after that. So I'll see you guys later. I'll try to, well, I will vlog while I'm at the Little Hen, but I'll probably do it with my phone because I brought my big camera. This time I am vlogging on my Canon M50 because I've been watching so many tutorials and finally figured out my settings. So I probably won't take this camera because it's huge, but I will try to vlog in the Little Hen on my phone to show y'all the food, to show y'all the aesthetics, and you know, all the cutesy stuff. So I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Gonna be cell phone footage. So we just parked and the Little Hen is across the street, so we're gonna walk across the street. It's so cute. We passed by it already. We've seen like some girls taking some photos and stuff outside. It's so cute. So we're gonna head over here because I am so hungry. Just waiting for Tony to pay for parking. And then, oh, look at the Valentine's Day balloons. Okay, y'all, so we couldn't go to the restaurant because it was reservation only, and I would usually do reservations, but I didn't do it. So when I went on the website once, she said it was reservations only. It did have a spot for 11:15, but it wasn't letting me book it, so we're leaving. I can't wait for y'all to see the food because we checked their Instagram page out. The food looks amazing. So, can't wait to eat. I am back home. Today is Tuesday. We ended up staying an extra day. The plan was to drive home yesterday, but it got too late. So we ended up staying an extra day. We left this morning at around 5 o'clock and we got home at maybe like 10:30. So it was a really good trip. We ate a lot of food. So this week I will be going into detox mode. That restaurant that I showed you guys, Boca House, B-O-C-A House, y'all look them up on Instagram. When I tell y'all that food is amazing, okay? I'm not even exaggerating. And why y'all ain't tell me, all my people that's from Miami, why y'all didn't tell me about this place? It's a nice little spot. It's a Spanish restaurant, I think, but the food is delicious. So anytime I go to a restaurant, you guys know this already, for the first time, I like to order a few different things. So I ordered the pineapple. It's like shrimp fried rice, basically, in a pineapple. And it comes with like some wontons on top and then like one giant shrimp. If you guys go, definitely get the shrimp fried rice and the pineapple, but tell them to put the wontons on the side because it looks a little messy. I just, you know, moved all the wontons off, even though it is pretty good with the wontons mixed in it, but just tell them to put the wontons on the side, okay? Because we like to take pictures of our food over here, so we want everything to look pretty. But that was really good. And then I had the street corn. Of course they have like different names for all of this stuff, but I don't remember the names because most of the stuff is in Spanish, but they'll have like the regular ingredients in English, but the name of the dish is in Spanish. What else did I have? And I had, oh, they have like a few different macaroni and cheese dishes. So they have like you can get the lobster macaroni and cheese, you can get the shrimp macaroni and cheese, which comes with like fried shrimp on top, and then the lobster macaroni and cheese, I'm not too sure if it comes with the lobster in it. I'm pretty sure it does. It had the lobster on top. And then I got the one that was called the winner because that one looked the best to me. It had like bacon on top and it had like steak in the inside. It was so good, y'all, so good. Tony got like a fried seafood platter. It had fried calamari, fried mussels, shrimp, I think clams, I can't remember what else, but, and he really liked his. It was a lot. So the next time you guys are in Miami, definitely check that place out. But I think they have one in, because I looked up like the different locations. So they have one in Vernon, Florida. I've never heard of that before. And Miami. So y'all need to check that place out if y'all haven't already. But like I said, check out their Instagram, because the way that the food looks on the Instagram is exactly how it looks in person. Oh, and I had a what was the name of it? I want to say, oh, I had a passion fruit mojito. Girl, it was so good. And I found that place because I was just like Googling little restaurants in the area that we were in, and that restaurant came up. It had good ratings, and I looked at the I'm a picture person, so I went straight to their Instagram, and I'm like, okay, yeah, we need to try this place. So I'm so happy that we did. We had a lot of leftovers, so we ate some of that in the room last night. And yeah, so we drove home for Valentine's Day. You guys will eventually see it. I'm not gonna do like an unboxing or nothing like that. I got Tony some Gucci slides. We got matching Gucci slides, the ones with the big G that I picked up on the clip. We got the matching Gucci slides, and they're men's slides. So I got a pair of those too. I wear a size 7 in men's. And then Tony got a Gucci belt. And then I got the slides, and I got some Gucci socks because I only have one Gucci sock because I lost my other one. So I wanted to get some more of those. So I got some more of those. And then I got some Chanel earrings, which I was so happy that they had those earrings in stock, because I was watching a TikTok where somebody had screen recorded Young Miami's live from Instagram, and she had these Chanel hoops on. And I'm like, oh my gosh, those are so cute. So when I looked them up in the pre-love, like fashion file and all of that, they were like $1,600. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So when I went into the Chanel store, she had one pair left. So I got those for Valentine's Day. They're so cute. I haven't worn them yet. I haven't even opened my stuff up yet. I'm getting ready to put that stuff up, but I decided to jump in the shower and put on a charcoal mask really quick. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. And I'm gonna get in the bed and relax for a little bit. So that's what's going on today. For the rest of the day, I'll just be chilling. Nothing major. So I'll see you guys in the morning.